Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Online Income. In this video I'm going to take us through on how to mine star. This mining is just like major star. You see those who receive major allocation at least got something tangible. Some of them made good profit because major cook. So this project is just like a major, but it's not the same thing as major. This is star. So how do you mine this? You just perform tasks. One of the tasks I have done this one, join star community. The next one is connect wallet. Let's do this one. Okay, I have done it because it's already connected. In your own case, you have to connect any of your wallet, Tongue wallet or Tongue keeper, whichever one you are using. Once it is connected, they will ask you to claim. So let me claim this one. Also, I've done this task too. Let me claim this one. This particular one, support on blockchain. Let's see what they are trying to say here. Okay, you have to pay. If you don't have the money, you can leave this one also. But we all know what happened to major. Those who participated in supporting the Ton blockchain got something. I never received anything from major because I never spent any money. I didn't spend ton for major project, so I got zero allocation. Let me see if I can do this one. Let's proceed. I guess this one, I guess if I have enough ton, let me see how much they are requesting. So this airdrop is no longer airdrop. You need to pay to get something. Another way not for you to get most of this airdrop is to wait for them to launch. When they launch and the price goes down, you can purchase, buy the coin from the exchange and make more money when the coin goes up. It's a confirmed transaction. Which transaction is going on? I don't know. Let's repeat it again because I can't see any time. Okay, 0.2 ton. I have 0.21 ton. Let's see if it will go. Okay, put in your password. Will it work? Check completion. Okay, let's check again. It didn't go through. Okay, let me proceed again and see if it will work. Transaction has gone. They have collected my money. So let's go back and check. Okay, let's check now. I think it will go through. Good. The transaction has gone through. So I've completed this task. So if you cannot do this, there are other tasks. Look at N here. Let's go to N. Say airdrop, major and star. For those who have a major token, all you need to do is to snap your token. If you still have it, if you have not sold, attach it here wherever you have it on your SEC or wallet. Take a screenshot of it, attach it here, and you will earn 10,000 stars. So I don't have any major token, so I'm not qualified for that. Let's do Telegram. Follow on Telegram. Okay, I've already done that. Let's see. I'll claim what I have. So this is basically what you need to do to earn coin from this place. So you don't need to stress much. So this is how is it, because I'm not This one is not going through because I don't have a Telegram subscription, verified Telegram, so it's not working. So I will abandon this one too. So do the ones that you are qualified to do. Come to profile, put in your country, gender, male. You can also put your age. So this is how to perform this particular star mining. So watch the video and follow the step. And if you check this, look up here, you see the total I've mined so far. Or this is farming. So watch the video and follow the step. We have just 17 days, so it's going to be listed this month, December. So if this is your first time of coming across my channel, subscribe and click the notification bell to receive notification whenever I post a new video. Also like and share this video so that others who are yet to see this or might be interested could join immediately. Watch my playlist also. I have several videos there, and you could find some interesting videos on the playlist for you to watch and follow the step if you have any tasks you want to complete that is yet to be done. Thank you for watching.